Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language lessons we offer. In the old days, back when I was a kid, people used to rely on the state, on the government, to provide for them in many different ways. There was a lot of social housing or council housing, which people on low income jobs could rent, often in fairly central parts of the city. You used to be able to get free higher education. There was a promise of work and secure work on long-term contracts. We used to be able to get universal free healthcare, so free dental care, free opticians, that kind of thing. Over the last 30 or 40 years, many of these things have been taken away from us. And as the state becomes ever more neglectful, one of the ways it tries to compensate for this is to reassure us that at least we're not being punished like the others are. The others include asylum seekers and refugees, people that we have a moral obligation or duty to help. And yet, under the current system, these are people we're keeping in conditions often worse than prisons. I mention all of this because this morning I read that now over 50 asylum seekers have died in the detention centres that they're being kept in. And around the same number are being kept in conditions that, according to the United Nations, basically are torture-like conditions. And for me, all of this is a really shocking indictment of the system. If you say that one thing is an indictment of another thing, you mean that one thing shows how bad or how wrong the other thing is. And we often talk about one thing being a shocking indictment of another, or being a terrible indictment of another, or a sad indictment of another. So you might say something like, this incident is a sad indictment of the way the whole system is being run. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Please share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comments section below, we'd like to see examples of things from your country that you think are a sad indictment of your society, or a sad indictment of the age in which we live.